Hey guys, SUYOON here with What's My Blank. This is gonna be the first series of me unboxing and showing you guys various hype stuff that I pick up over time. And today we're gonna go over Air Jordan 4 BRED, which I was able to pick up 2 pairs. So I have one pair, which is mine, is size 9, which I was able to pick up with the SNS raffle. I was lucky enough to win one, and I have another one, which is my fiance's, which is on size 6, but this is a GS model. So it was actually fairly easy for me to cop. That being said, let's open it up and see. So size 9 is mine, it's right here. And size 6 is, of course, hers, right next to it. One thing right off the bat, we noticed is the regular adult pair came with a little different box compared to the GS pair. One which has a classic cement with the Flight Air Jordan versus GS, which was pretty much just a regular black Air Jordan logo, and that's pretty much it. It also opens up, whereas the top lid just comes off completely. Another thing I noticed on the GS versus the adult is this tag that comes with it, the Nike Air. But other than that, they're pretty much similar, with GS having these little shoehorn, or what are these called? I don't even know. And then for adult, we have these 2 filler on the back. Oh, and it also has the same cardboard looking thing in here. But this is one of my first pair of Jordan 4, the BRED, which classic black and red. You can't go wrong with these. For the longest time I've been Adidas fanboy, Yeezys, etc. But I think I'm gonna have to hold on to these, especially given that this is a
I'm sorry.
But I think I'm gonna have to hold on to these pairs. Pretty much every fit goes well with black pair of Jordan, so you can't really go wrong with anything that you put on. That being said, I'll probably just put this on right now, show how it looks on feet, and then we'll give you guys a closer look of these shoes and wrap it up.